For us, the new theater should be a part of Kamala Theater's long history. It should have the spirit of Kamala Theater, so the theater will be passed on as a symbol and will not be forgotten. The strong impression to me about this city is that diverse religions and cultures coexist harmoniously here. The new Kamala Theater is located on the site of Kaban Lake, facing the classic Kamala Theater. It is surrounded by a rich nature with a natural forest, a lake that shows various faces in different seasons. The concept of our proposal is about the continuity to build connections between the new theater with the story of the classic Kamala Theater, with unique nature and climate, with distinctive Tatar culture and tradition. The new theater should be a part of Kamala Theater's long history. We decided to inherit the strong, iconic triangle facade of the Kamala Theater and to interpret the classic triangle facade into a modern, transparent, and harmonious design language. At the same time, the new theater is a reflector of surroundings. The geometry comes from the unique ice flower in Kaban Lake, and with the material of the facade, the building reveals various faces by reflecting the forest, the lake, the sky, and the citizens in different seasons. Here is how we image the building within surroundings. The building rising from the ground naturally, the whole building blends into nature like the terrain and gradually introduces citizens into the theater. The theater itself is a park. This is a basic planning for ground floor, surrounded by 3 main performing halls. In the lobby, we introduced featured textured walls to reflect and celebrate Tatar's traditional art culture, warmness, rich colors. About the performing space, to start with the Great Hall. The room impression is defined through balconies and colonnades, like the traditional Tatar and Islam space. The audience can feel that they surround the stage together and share the same experience during the performance. For Universal Hall, we think it is a functional room. We are inspired by the patchwork pattern and fabric texture from traditional Tatar crafts. They slide from the ceiling and create a vibrant and cozy atmosphere of traditional Tatar dwelling. At the same time, the Universal Hall is a simple black box. All the attention on the performance. For the round hall, we are totally agreed with the spirit of blending the stage, the performance with the nature, the reality. So here, we connect the room closely to the outside environment, trying to reflect nature to the stage. The movements and energy of performance will be accumulated and reflected by architecture as medium. The inspiration of our proposal is strongly based on the classic Kamala theaters and surrounding natural elements. We are aiming to create a unique space only for people in Kazan, to inherit the beautiful story of this land.